Hi guys, it's Sydney with Sabre. Today I'm standing in front of our 36ml. This could be the perfect family coach or couples coach, and it has a huge back deck, so let's go take a look. Starting off in the kitchen, there's a lot of cool features in here. One of those is going to be your pantry. The pantry has its own slide out, so you're going to have a bunch of storage in here, including 2 drawers that pull out down below. Moving over here, you're going to have your workstation sink, so that's going to have your cutting board, your task bucket, your colander. You're going to have your rainfall faucet for washing veggies. You're also going to have your cup rinser, soap dispenser, your regular faucet, and then the control for your faucets and the control for opening and closing your drain. These countertops are going to be solid surface. They're a marble design for that luxurious look, and you're also going to have cabinetry for extra storage up here and then drawers to the right of the oven. You're going to have a 30-inch convection microwave along with a residential style stovetop and a large oven below. And to the left of that, you're going to have your 12-volt, 16 cubic foot fridge. This is going to be a French door refrigerator with 2 freezers for extra freezer storage. And you're also going to have this loft above the deck. That's going to be a really deep loft. It's going to have a lot of room for any guests or kids that may want to sleep there, along with a privacy curtain. Moving into the living room, you're going to have your 70-inch TV, your 60-inch fireplace, and you're going to have storage in here along with USB ports. You're going to have your sectional couch here as well. That's going to have your trifold sofa that turns into a big bed. You're also going to have your storage in the corner of the sofa and 2 recliners. You're also going to have this ottoman. This cushion comes off and it can turn into a workstation area. Also, we'll have blanket storage underneath. Over in your slide out, you're going to have your dinette and your chairs as well. Moving into your bathroom, you're going to have a full-size shower with a seat. You're also going to have your medicine cabinet. You're going to have storage down below for a trash can or toilet paper holder. You're also going to have your sink right there, and you're going to have a pull-out linen storage as well. Moving into the bedroom, you're going to have a 66-inch Camper King mattress, also a hideaway headboard behind the bed. You're also going to have a large closet with washer-dryer prep and triple slide closet doors to make that closet more accessible. At the foot of the bed, you're going to have 4 large dresser drawers, and you're going to have blackout blinds as well. So this unit is going to come with 200-watt solar on board with a 40-amp controller extendable up to 600-watt solar. You're going to find the controller for that solar in here, and you're also going to find your spare tire in here. Moving over here, you're going to have your storage. We have slam latches right here with a magnetic catch at the top. You're going to have all this storage in here along with a mini fridge. All Sabres are going to have vacuum bonded sidewalls to help prevent DLAM issues, and they're also going to have a heated and enclosed underbelly with your furnace ducted to your tanks and a lining of foil on the top and the front cap of the unit. This unit's also going to have solar reflective windows to let that natural light in but keep the heat out, protecting your furniture and keeping your unit cooler. All these units will also have 2 awnings on them for that extra shade. Right now I'm standing on our back deck. This is going to be perfect for entertaining or just sitting back and relaxing while watching the sunset. On the off-door side of your unit, you're going to have your tankless water heater, your docking station, and you're going to have your control panel for your auto leveling system. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Once again, this is the 36ml. You can check it out on our website at forestriverinc.com/sabre.